Hey Tech fam, GadInsider here with massive Apple news. The iOS 26 public beta drops this week, and iOS 27's already in the works. Let's dive into this OS revolution. Liquid glass UI and a foldable iPhone-ready iOS 27? Apple's changing the game. Want to test the iOS 26 yourself? Stick around for the scoop and how to get it. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman just spilled the tea. Apple's iOS 26 public beta is set to launch this week, as of July 26, 2025, following its debut at WWDC on June 9th. Gurman spotting indications it's imminent, letting everyone, not just developers, test the hottest features. Since WWDC, Apple's dropped several developer betas to polish iOS 26, and now it's our turn. The star of iOS 26? The Liquid Glass UI, a stunning redesign with translucent menus and smoother animations that make your iPhone feel next-level intuitive. Posts on X are buzzing about its sleek vibe, although its complexity might have delayed the public beta. Gurman assures the final release won't slip, targeting September 2025 alongside the iPhone 17. Want in? Go to Settings, click on General, click on Software Update, and then click on Beta Updates. Select the iOS 26 public beta and hit Download and Install. It's that easy. Plus, Gurman teased iOS 27's development is kicking off soon, likely prepping for Apple's first foldable iPhone in 2026. Expect tweaks to optimize split-screen multitasking and flexible displays, although details are hush-hush. This shows Apple's not slowing down, pushing innovation for foldables and beyond. Why is this huge? iOS 26's Liquid Glass UI makes your iPhone prettier and smarter, while iOS 27's eyeing foldable tech. The public beta lets you shape Apple's future, and it's a sneak peek at what's next. This is Apple redefining mobile tech. Ready to try iOS 26? Drop a comment. What features got you hyped? Smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more Apple scoops.